Everyone, here we are going to do one DHCP lab here. See here, this is the scenario, this is a topology. I am using one DHCP server. We can say this is a DHCP server. Okay, DHCP server. And this server I assign the IP 192.168.1.2. If you see, this is the IP I assigned to this one 192.168.1.2, and this is a subnet mask, this is a gateway. And in this one, if you see, you can go to the services, click the DHCP, and here you can put. You can see here DHCP server, this one for VLAN 1 already we configure. This is for VLAN 1 and this is for VLAN 10. VLAN 10 I am putting the name as a VLAN 10. Gateway I am giving as a 10.1. I am saying DHCP server start IP address 192.168.10.10. Start from this IP. Okay, I give this one. Same thing I do for VLAN 20 also. VLAN 20 192.168.20.1. This will be gateway for VLAN 20 and 192.168.20.10. This is for VLAN 20 starting from here. And this is the subnet mask. So we configure this DHCP server. And here sometime you have off, so it will not work. You need to click here on. This is one point how we can configure the DHCP server in the packet tracer. When you take the server, this way you need to do. You assign the IP. After that, this interface you need to put as a trunk. This one you need to put as a trunk, and also where you done the inter-VLAN, routing, you need to make that interface also trunk. If you see F0/3, this F0/3 also you need to configure as a trunk. This two interface you need to configure as a trunk. And here we can say this is for VLAN 10. I am taking simple lab. I can say this is VLAN 10, and I can say this is for VLAN 20. Okay, this is VLAN 20. So now we can go here to this router, and you need to do sub interface, because here already I configure. If you see, I will show you the configuration. This is the interface F0/0. So I done this interface as a sub interface. I put .1 and then encapsulation .1q, and I put 1, and this is the IP I assigned. For VLAN 1 I am putting 192.168.1.1 255.255.0. This is for VLAN 1. And then you need to write the IP helper command also inside this one. So we need to write IP helper address. You need to put the DHCP server IP here, IP helper and DHCP server IP here. Same thing you need to do. You need to divide this main interface into sub interface by tag 10, and you can put encapsulation .10. Then you write IP address 192.168.10.1, and you can put the subnet mask. This will be gateway, whatever gateway you give here in the DHCP server. And you need to put this command every interface. Whatever interface you have, you need to put this IP helper address 192.168.1.2. Whatever the IP you assign to DHCP server, you need to put all in all sub interface. So if you see interface fast Ethernet 0/0.20, then you can write encapsulation .1q, and here VLAN 20 tag. Here you can give any number, but here should be the correct, for which VLAN you are giving this one, you need to put, because we are giving this for VLAN 20. So this will be gateway for VLAN 20 192.168.20.1 255.255.0, and this is a IP helper command, that server IP we need to give. And gateway, this is the gateway, this is the gateway, this is the gateway, whatever we configure here. If you see, in this one we configure that IP, this one we need to assign here. Okay, so we done here. This is only the configuration for router. Just you need to do sub interface and put the tag here with the encapsulation, assign the gateway IP and helper command. And here inside the switch, as I told, you need to configure this two interface as a trunk. How we can check? We can write show interface trunk. You can see here we configure this two interface F0/3, F0/4 as a trunk. You can see these two interface we configure as a trunk, because here for multiple VLAN traffic will go, and this server is also having multiple VLAN, so all traffic need to go. So you need to configure this one also as a trunk. and you need to put this port in VLAN 10 and this port in VLAN 20. So I can write here show VLAN brief. You can see this F0 by 1 in VLAN 10, this port F0 by 1, and this F0 by 2, this port is in VLAN 20. And go here, click static, then click the DHCP and check, you will get the IP from the DHCP. You can see 192.168.10.10 subnet mask and the gateway. Because we assign this PC in VLAN 10, so you are getting the VLAN 10 IP. You can go here and go to desktop and click here again, click the DHCP and check here, you will get VLAN 20 IP. Because we put this interface in VLAN 20, that's why you are getting VLAN 20 traffic. Okay, it is clear, right? That's all. This is only the small lab. Now if you have more PCs, more servers, more, you can put here. If you have 10 PC, example, if you have 10 PC, you can put all 10 PC like this and assign that port in VLAN 10. If you have 20 PC, put all 20 PC here, assign that in VLAN 20. That's all. Simple. Okay, I done here in simple way. You can make this more big. Okay, this is a DHCP server lab. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comments. Okay, thank you, bye.